2005 Chrysler Crossfire. Really nice car. We've done a couple in the past, and he saw our video and he said, I want it done too. Got factory converters there and there. Got secondary converters there. Then it wires into a single and goes all the way back. And we did a rear muffler delete. There's the old muffler right there, hanging out. And there's the muffler delete in its place. And he didn't want the tags, so we put them down there. He didn't want to see them. Put a dual tip off the back, blue flame, as you guys can see right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these Crossfires. Doesn't take too much. It looks good too. There it is before and after. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description for the tip. Boom. Yeah, that's awesome. I think they were one of the original ones that had the wing cover. The wing comes out on those in the back. The spoiler. That sounds really good for a Crossfire. Again. Your sound decibels. 107. That sounds really good. I like it. That's awesome. It's so deep. Wow. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Of that sound. Alright, let you guys hear it on the inside. You see what I'm talking about? Chrysler Crossfire. I like the different size wheels. They're staggered. You see that? They're two different sizes. That's cool. That really sounds good. I like it.